In this video, we will see how to identify the devices that are having a specific software installed. Log into the console. We first need to create a criteria-based query. Go to Queries, right-click and select Create Query. Make sure the type is set to Device, and because it's a criteria-based query, the Free Query checkbox should be unchecked. Let's name it. Click OK. Double click on the query, go to Criteria, right click and add criteria. Go to Software Inventory, Scanned Application. Select Name. You can also select the software manufacturer. Select the operator. Now in this example, I will be creating a report for the devices where Google Chrome is installed. So I will type Google Chrome. Make sure that the value that you are giving here is present in the criteria that we are adding. Let's add it. Click OK. Make the query active and go to Preview. Select SQL result. Now here are the devices where Google Chrome is installed. Now let's create a report out of it. Right click on the reports, report creation wizard. Name the report. Set the report type as style based and report style as style 1. Select these boxes if you want to generate the report in all three formats. So I will select XML and PDF. HTML is selected by default. Next, give the subreport title. Query type should be set to device, and in the query name, select the query that we have just created. Set the subreport format as table. Now add the columns from here. We can add as many columns as we want. So I will add device name. Then from software inventory, scanned applications, I will add software name and its version as well. Now click OK. By clicking on subreport preview, we will be able to see how our report would look like. This is how the report looks. Now go back to the console, click Next. From this window, you can publish and export the report. You can also send it via email. Next. Now if you want to generate the report for a specific group of devices, you can assign the group of devices from here. Next. This window allows you to schedule a report to be generated at a specific time. I want to generate it immediately, so I will just click on Immediately Generate Report and click Finish. To view the reports, go to Report Results. As we can see, the status is available for all three formats, so we should be able to view the report now. Right click and click on View. Select the format you want to view the report in. I will select PDF and click OK. This is how the report looks like. We see all the devices that are having Google Chrome installed along with its version. Thank you.